Meets or exceeds OEM specifications. Long life EPDM rubber compound. Proprietary rubber formulation for quiet operation. Synthetic tension members with balanced twist cord ensures neutral tracking when running. AutoCare Association recommends inspecting belts at 60,000 miles and replacing at 90,000 miles. Length 67 inch or 1,702 millimeters. Alternate part number 7 PK 1702. Goodyear Belts has developed multi-V belts that meet or exceed OE requirements, ensuring long belt life and quiet operation. Restore your belt drive system's efficiency by installing a new Goodyear belt. Top reviews from the United States. Great belt. This is a great belt, especially for the price, very easy to install with the help of YouTube. Type in your year, make and model of the car plus drive belt and a helpful video should pop right up.